This is Dan Gritsko, and I'm at the Franklin Institute, and I'm looking at this huge human heart exhibit, and it's a walkthrough. So, y'all, I'm gonna give it a try. So as you walk through here, you're able to come through and see what the human heart is like, and it's here to give us a feel for the amazing organ that this is in the human body, created by God. And love seeing this from a perspective of science and seeing how this is, kind of walking up and down and around, looking at all the different parts of the heart and having a chance to be careful as we go down the stairs, around the corner, then up the stairs, as we're walking through the different parts of this incredible part of our bodies made by God. Thank you, Franklin Institute, for this super cool creation. Gotta like it. If you've never done it, come here and check it out sometime.